picture.
Hey, what's up?
Lock this layer first. Make it thicker. What's up, y'all? We back at it again with another video. Today I'm finna show y'all how to digitize your design using Adobe Illustrator. So today I'm gonna go step by step, show y'all how you can draw a design, take a picture of it, and digitize it so you can use it for your clothing brand. All right, let's get into it. All right, in the first step, you need to draw something. So I have some drawings here. I already digitized some of them. Today we're gonna digitize this one. And if you don't know how to draw, learn. Or ask somebody to help you. All right, let's get into it. So after y'all made y'all little sketch or design, you wanna take a picture of it, send it to your iPad or laptop, and then you wanna go to it. Okay, we got the picture. You want to go to Adobe Illustrator, add, create file. So after you create a file, you want to add the design. Where is it? The photo button right here. Click photos. The first photo. Keep current selection. You want to flip it however you want it. Zoom in on it. Then you want to make another layer. Lock this layer. Then you want to hit this tool right here. And all you have to do is this tool. You want to have no white right here. Then you want to fill this with black. Start off by clicking. And the two tools you want to use is this one and the one above it. You just want to get the edges first. Now I'm going to show y'all how to just do the letter E. All right, after you get all the points in the sharp points on here, that's what you want to try to get, is the sharp points. After you finish getting the sharp points, you want to click this tool right here, zoom in on it, click. You want to click this tool, click the circle, and this how you stretch it around like that. Almost done. Y'all see it's coming into shape. So y'all get the concept. It don't gotta be perfect. So after you got that, you could go to this and then click the stroke button, make it thicker. So after you do that, just keep tracing it, and I'm gonna show you my final design after I'm done. Let's get into it. All right, as y'all can see, I got it all traced out. I moved the spots a little bit. You want to see the final project? It's gonna look like this. Let's remove that background and just throw your design. Just all you want to do is save it, save as a PNG. You can put it on your t-shirts. You can do whatever with it, but that's how you digitize it, just like that. Stay tuned if y'all want to watch more videos like this, DIY videos. Let me know what y'all want to see next. She gon' turn my soul like me, yeah, she on her knees.